Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and play PUBG on your PC or laptop, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and play PUBG on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So to do that, first, you will need to have your Steam since this is where we will download the game. So for that, I will guide you on how you can download Steam, but if you already have it, you can skip this and go exactly to this timestamp of the video to proceed to the next step after installing Steam. So to install Steam on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Steam, since that's where we can download their app, so just search for Steam on your search bar. And after searching, there it is guys, you will now be able to see the official website of Steam, so just go and click it. And then you will now be on the website. So to download the Steam app on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the Install Steam option right here at the top, so just go and click it. And then you will now be directed to the downloading page of Steam, so just click the Install Steam button once again. And after clicking it, your Steam setup file will now be downloaded, so you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, you just need to select the language that you want your Steam to use. In my case, I'm fine with English, so I will just click Next to proceed. And then here, your system will show you the location where the Steam installation files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click the Browse button and set it to the folder where you want to save it, but if you're already fine with the location, just click Install. And after that, your Steam will now start installing, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, there you go guys, your Steam will now be opened. So now that you've opened your Steam, you can now sign in right here if you already have an account, but if you're new and don't have an account yet, just click this Create Free Account button right here. In my case, I will create a new account just for demonstration. And then you will now begin on creating your account. So right here, you just need to enter your email address, and make sure that the email address you will enter is an email that you can access or open because Steam will send a message to that email later in order to verify your account. And once you're done entering your email address, just check this CAPTCHA and agreement box and then click Continue to proceed. And then here's the verification that I told you earlier guys, Steam has now sent a verification message to your email, so just go and open it. And once you've opened your email, you will now see the verification message that Steam sent to you, so just open it. And after opening the message, you will now see this Verify Email Address button right here, just go and click it. And after clicking it, your account will now be verified, so you can now go back to Steam. And then you will now begin the step 2 of your Steam account setup. So for this step, you just need to enter your account name and password. By the way, the account name is basically a username for your Steam account, so just enter whatever you like. And then you can now enter the password that you want. And once you're done entering your username and password, you can now click the Done button. And after that, there you go guys, your Steam account will now be created, so you can now start signing in your account right here by entering your username and password. And then Steam will send a verification message to your email once again. The message that they will send will contain a verification code that you will need to enter right here in order to log in your account. So just go to your email once more. And once you're on email, you will now see the message, so just go and open it. And after that, there you go guys, you will now see the verification code right here in this section, but I'm sorry guys, I blurred my code just for privacy. Now that you've seen the verification code, you can now enter it right here. And after entering the code, there you go guys, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your Steam, and your account will now be logged in, so you can now use the app to browse amazing games you can download. And now that you have your Steam, let me now show you how to download the game on this app. So to do that, it's pretty simple. You just need to search for the game right here on the search bar to find the game. And then you will now be able to see the game. Just go and click it to open. So here's the game PUBG guys. So to download it, just scroll down a little and then click this play button right here. And then Steam will show you the location where the game's installation files will be saved on your storage. If you want to change it, just click this icon or select the drive where you want to save it, but if you're already fine with the location, just click install. And then the game will now start installing. This might take some time depending on your internet speed, but just wait for it to finish and then you will be able to play the game. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.